In a significant move to strengthen grassroots ties, Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma hosted over 100 members of the Halam community from the Jhandum area of Dhalai District at his residence Nayungma Ujjayanta Palace on Tuesday. The delegation representing 12 different villages was led by their respective village heads. The Halam representatives expressed their deep appreciation for the invitations, noting that such sharing their perspectives within the palace was a historic and a heartening experience. The visit was marked by a blend of traditions and modern administrative dialogue, as the Bubagra personally welcomed the community members for an afternoon of interactions and shared the meals. Key highlights of the meetings included direct interactions where community members engaged in an open-floor discussion with Bubagra regarding local challenges and developmental needs. The dialogue focused on improving infrastructure, education, and healthcare in the remote pockets of the Dhalai District. The Halam representatives expressed their deep appreciation for the invitations, noting that sharing their perspectives within the palace walls was a historic and heartening experience.
We are meeting with Maharaj. We are very happy. We from Halam community, as Bubagra told us to visit his place, and we are very excited. We are very happy today. That dream became fulfilled for our community. Here we have come from many ages. There are different ages people who have come here to witness the Rajbari, the palace of Maharaj, and all are very excited and all are very happy. And that is why we thank our Maharaj, Rengpa, Bubagra, for giving us such type of opportunity.
आप लोग कहाँ से आए और कितने लोग आए हैं?
We have come from Jhandum, that is from Dhalai. Here we have many. In our language, we call in Halam language we call the head of the Samas. The head of the Samas party is Kalim, and from 16 Kalim we have come. That means from 16 villages we have gathered here. From among 16 villages, we are around 100% approximately.
What message you want to give to Maharaj?
The message which we want to give to Maharaj is that so that our existence as Halam, he have care us, and let him continue to care us. And this will be our final message to him. And we are so excited that he care us. And we hope in future he'll continue to care us.
Bubagra emphasized that the progress of the Halam people of one of the Tripura's ancient indigenous communities is vital to the overall growth of the state. By hosting the 12 village heads, the royal scion aimed to bridge the gap between regional leadership and the rural populace.
आज हम हलम समाज की तरफ से यहाँ राजबाड़ी में आए हैं और यहाँ आके हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा और राजा जो हमारे लिए इतना सोचते हैं, हमें जो अपना प्यार दिखाया उसके लिए हम तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहते हैं। और ये हम सभी के लिए आज सभी का पहला दिन है यहाँ पे आने का मौका मिला। और राजा जी जब हमारे यहाँ आए थे तब उन्होंने वादा किया था और हमें लगा कि वो वादा शायद नहीं निभाएंगे, लेकिन उन्होंने जब कॉल किया कि नहीं आपको आना है, तो सच में मैं बोलूँ उस टाइम में मैं हॉस्पिटल में थी, मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई और मैं कल ही मैं अगरतला आ गई थी। और हम हलम समाज की तरफ से उनको यही कहना चाहेंगे कि हम सब आपके साथ हैं, आप अपने मार्ग पे टिके रहिए, तके रहिए और हम सब आपके पीछे और हम सब आपके साथ हैं। थैंक यू। हम भाई जुबाई।
The visitors from Jhandum Dhalai thanked the Bubagra for his hospitality, stating that such platforms give them a renewed sense of belonging and hope for their region's future.
Chung Halam dofano ite, especially Dhalai District ni ja Halam tongnai chung Maharaj bai ring jakka, dei chung no roka open magoi chung o tini bisingo baksa tong first time me Maharaj please borok nuk mano chung ekdom khabai khukbai ekdom Maharaj bai hambai ya faro. Akai baksa ne kai oboni first time je borok e Rajbari nuk manita. Akai angni nije bo jeman o kacham Rajbari ni je Singhasan 1000 year puranu kacham obonu goi anibo first time oboduk mane ang belai tong thokka je Chini je kacham Rajbari Singhasan nuk mani ang nije bo ekdom hamai ya faro Chini.
The event is seen as part of Bubagra's ongoing community outreach initiatives, which focuses on empowering traditional village leaders. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.